Want to upgrade your FiveM server with a clean and professional loading screen? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up my custom FiveM loading screen with your own video and music. The best part, it's super easy, beginner friendly, and you don't need any advanced coding skill. So let's jump and do it. I have a link in the description. You can click that out, and of course to download my script. It is a simple and easy to use loading screen. So as you can see, after you download it, it will be on your download folder, something like this. And as you can see, there is a video and music right here. So it's so simple and there are no subfolders in it. You just have to copy this one, and I'm currently using Qbox, so I'm going to delete the load screen from the standalone. So for you guys, if you're new to FiveM development, you can search out for loading or load screen. So you just have to search this and open this file location and delete. Now once it's deleted, copy my script and then paste it here. And there you go. Now the next thing I'm going to tell you on how to change this video and music right here. So in this moment, FiveM having problem with the video, like when you have a loading screen, it will show up black screen on FiveM. It's because it's incompatible with your video format. So the best thing you should do is you have to open the readme, and as you can see, I put everything here, the important things that you need to do. So currently my video is 720p, and of course you can use the 1080p, and the video format must be WebM, and the video encoder is VP9, and the video size would be the best fit for this is 50 to 80 mbps. It depends on you, but for me, the lower size much better, because you know the resources needs to be downloaded to your client. Okay, so music must be mp3. Okay, so those are the important things that you need to be on your mind to make the video works on your FiveM. Okay, currently I'm using CapCut as a video editor, or you can use whatever editor that you have, but make sure that you export it something like this. So this is it. I made a video of it. It's a simple thing. I just recorded from Rockstar. You can also do that. So the music is excluded here because of it is programmed that the music only plays. So you can extract it, if you have an audio, then just leave it something like that, muted. And then after that, you can make a video for like 1 minute duration. It depends on you, and export it, and make sure it is 720p or 1080p. Okay, now there's this option, the codec, which is the H.26264, and the format is the two options that you have here is the MP4 and MOB. So the frame rate is 30 or 60, it depends on you. So it's best if you change it into 30 fps. Okay, now you have to export it. Right, open the file, and as you can see, this is it. And now you have to uncheck this one and mute this for the music. You have to export it and unselect the video and select the audio. Make sure that it is MP3, not WAV or AECC or something like that. Okay, now export it. Alright, so open the file folder. So this is it, the music. So you just have to rename this as music. And you're good to go. You just have to copy the music since we already have this. It's actually ready. So this is it. You just have to paste it here and replace. And there you go. The music is already added here. Now let's close the CapCut and then install the handbrake. Alright, handbrake. You can search this software from the Google and download it. It's so easy, you know. So open file, or you can drag and drop here. So like for example, this one. Sorry, this is the video that we made already from CapCut. So we just have to copy this one. We just have to drag and drop this to handbrake. And there you go. Here's the preview. So we have to change the format into FiveM. That's it. It's VP9 and it is currently 30 FPS. You can go to the video portion to lower the quality. It depends on you. So for me, the best bit for that is 30, and it's the frame rate is 30. The video encoder is V9. Then you just have to select for the or where you want to export the audio. So like for example, we're going to export it here. Final, and let's name this video. So make sure that the V is not a big letter, okay? And start the encoding. Once the encoding is finished, you can browse this folder right here, and there you go. This is the FiveM. So we just have to copy this one, copy, and then go to here and paste it here. Okay, just replace the video, and there you go. Open the index to preview it. As you can see, guys, this is the preview of your loading screen inside. Or you're not sure with the video that it takes like 23 MB. You can lower down the quality here if you want the video to have a lower size, so you can do that. And actually it's currently 1080p, so that's why it take up 23 megabytes. Now if you want to edit the as you can see, guys, the welcome to SBT, you can change this server name here. You just have to open it with Visual Studio Code, and here you go. So you just have to search for SBTCT, this one. So you just have to rename this, like for example, your server name, and don't forget to save, of course. Then go back here, then refresh. As you can see, welcome to your server name. And if you see that the video is like darkened a bit, well, you can adjust it here in a style sheet. Okay, you just have to open it and look for the overlay, or this one, the VG video, this one. So the brightness is 0.4. So it was, you know, it was added because, you know, so that the text will be readable by your client. Okay, now don't forget to save any changes. And now we're going to test this thing. Wait, I will replace the name, which is supposed to be SBT City. SBT City. Then save it there. Save and close, and there you go. Sorry about that. Okay. There you go. Qbox server. And let's run this and test it inside of the server. Okay. Right, so this is it. We just have to connect to our FiveM server, and as you can see, it's already downloaded and it's working now.
Kasama si Jonel at Kento'y PH. Dulo ng gabi, mabilis ang galaw. Mga mata sa salamin, walang kahit sinong na.
So I think that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you like it. I added the link in the description. You can download this for free, okay? And if you want to join my Discord channel, we do have also one. You just have to go to our YouTube description, and automatically you can join. There are a lot of free scripts there that are very useful for your FiveM development. All right. So this is Davong. Bye bye.